In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a process diagram in Canva. We'll start from a blank design, choose a time-saving template, customize the content and style, and finish by exporting a file you can share or print. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type Process Flow or Flowchart. This filters Canva's options to layouts built for step-by-step visuals and gives you a workspace sized for presentations or social posts. Next, let's choose a process template. On the left panel, open the Templates tab. In the search field, type Process Diagram, then browse through the results. When you find a layout that matches your vibe and the number of steps you need, click it to apply it to the canvas. Templates help you visualize workflows quickly, so you spend time refining the message, not arranging boxes from scratch. Now, edit the text content. Click any existing text box and replace the placeholder copy with your own steps and labels. Keep each step short and action-oriented for readability. To add a clear title, go to the text menu, click Add Heading, and type something descriptive, like Order Process Flow. Center it or place it where it naturally introduces the diagram. You can also add shapes for steps. Go to Elements, select Shapes, and drag in rectangles, circles, or rounded boxes to match your style. Duplicate a single finished shape so sizes stay consistent, and space them evenly to guide the eye. Let's customize the design. Use the color controls in the top toolbar to switch to your brand colors or a simple palette with contrast between shapes and text. Change fonts to a clean, readable pair, one for headings and one for body text. Consistency is key. Align items, keep margins even, and use one accent color to highlight key steps. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to download the diagram. Click Share in the top right, then choose Download. Select the file type that fits your use case: PDF for crisp printing, PNG for high-quality images, or JPG for smaller files that are easy to send. Confirm your choice, and Canva will prepare the file for you to save. That's it. You've built a clear, professional process diagram in Canva, ready to use in presentations, training materials, or handouts.